Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to duplicate objects in Canva. This is a simple trick that helps us quickly copy elements and keep our designs consistent without starting from scratch. Now, let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we can add some elements, like these shape elements. Once we have an element on the canvas, to duplicate it, all we need to do is click on the three dots, and we will see the duplicate option. We can also press Ctrl+D as a shortcut. As you can see, we can duplicate this by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard. If we want to duplicate another element, like this one, we just click it and press Ctrl+D. As you can see, it's really easy to duplicate elements in Canva. That's all there is to it. We can duplicate objects in Canva with just a few clicks or a simple shortcut, saving us time and helping us build our designs more efficiently.